Right, so let's discuss it. To start the back questions of chapter 4, its effect. All right. Here, okay, we are going to start from here. The oral questions, you guys just have to raise your hands to give me the answer. First oral question is define temperature, and I want the answer from each and every one. Taught to all of you, not to the few students only. All of you are having book in front of you. Just check in that. Define temperature. Name the device which is used to measure temperature. All right, I want to hear from Palak. Yes, Palak. Unmute yourself.
Ma'am, can I calculate my language? Measuring of the degree of hotness and coldness of an object with the standard unit is called temperature, and clinical thermometer is used to measure the temperature.
Okay, degree of hotness, coldness of an object. That is known as its temperature, and thermometer is used to do this. Okay, all right. Next is name 3 ways in which we can flow or transfer heat. 3 ways. We have discussed the 3 ways in detail. What are these 3 ways? Who can tell? I want everyone to raise their hands. What happened? What happened, Nirbhay? What's your doubt? Yes, Nirbhay. Yes, Nirbhay Acharya. Speak up.
I want PDF of chapter 3rd.
Nirbhay.
I want to PDF chapter 3rd.
Chapter 3rd. That day also I have shared with you. What chapter? I shared with him. Right now we are discussing for this chapter. Yes, Sujal. Yes, Sujal. Raise your hand, Sujal. You were raising your hand. Okay, I want to hear from Asta this time. Yes, Asta.
Ma'am, the 3 ways in which heat can be flowed or transferred are conduction, convection, and radiation.
Asta, very good. These are the 3 ways. Okay, Asta, thank you. Third is, what are insulators? What are insulators? I want to hear from Sujal. Yes, Sujal. Sujal.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes. What are insulators?
Ma'am, the materials which do not allow heat to pass through them are called insulators.
Yes. Can you give example?
Ma'am, example paper, wood, rubber,
Very good, Sujal. Okay. All
etc.
example. Give the definition along with example. Okay. Good, Sujal. Yes. Next question.
Okay, ma'am.
What is the range of Celsius scale in laboratory thermometer? Celsius scale, range of Celsius scale in laboratory thermometer. Yes, yes, Sharma. Unmute yourself, switch on your video.
मैम
On your video, yes.
मैम वो क्वेश्चन आंसर एक बार फर्स्ट वाला और सेकंड वाला वापस से बता दो.
What is temperature, degree of hotness and coldness of a body? Okay, on some chosen scale, it is known as temperature, which is measured with the help of thermometer. And 3 ways we have discussed in detail, Yash: conduction, convection, and radiation. Okay. Yes, next. Range of Celsius scale in laboratory thermometer. What happened? I want to hear from Chandni Soni. Yes, Chandni? Unmute yourself. I want to hear from Bhumika Devanda. Bhumika, what happened? You raised your hand right now. Yes, Asta, give me the response.
Ma'am, the range of a laboratory thermometer is from -10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius.
I'm asking about the Celsius scale in okay, fine. Okay. Laboratory thermometer. Okay, fine. Okay, now next is, okay, Asta, good. Next is the science quiz. Okay. Which is the fastest mode of heat transfer, conduction, convection or radiation? किसमें सबसे ज़्यादा सबसे तेज होगी? Yes, if you want to give the answer, then only raise your hand. Yes, Sharma. Ashish wants to give answer. Ashish, start your video first. Okay, Ashish, unmute yourself. Yes, Ashish.
Radiation.
Radiation is the fastest method. Okay, good. All right. Next question is, name the thermometer used to measure the temperature of boiling water. Ashish, can you answer this one also?
Clinical thermometer.
It is clinical. No, it's laboratory thermometer, beta. Not the clinical. Okay, it's the laboratory thermometer. Which property of matter is used in measurement of temperature? Yes, Astha.
Ma'am, the SI unit.
Property it's asking. Which property of matter is used in measurement of temperature? किस basis पर किया जाता है? Expansion on heating. है ना? I have told you ना that
Kelvin.
mercury will
Kelvin.
you will put the mercury thermometer into your mouth. What will happen? जैसे ही उसको heat मिलेगा वो ऊपर की तरफ बढ़ना start होगा, expand होना start होगा, right? That's why you will get the proper temperature, the raised one of your body in that. Okay. So what is the property of matter in which is used in measurement of temperature? That is expansion on heating. Okay, expansion on heating. Next, give an example from, keep on writing in the book along with me. Expansion on heating for the third one. Science quiz question third. We have discussed, now we are going to discuss the science quiz question number 4. Give an example from everyday life where heat is transferred by radiation. What happens? So many students are there in my class. Urvashi, where are you? Rashmi, so many students are there, good students. Why they are not raising their hands? I want to answer from each and every one. Give an example from everyday life where heat is transferred by radiation. Yes, Palak, what happened? Question is there in your book on my screen too. Fourth science quiz question I'm asking. Give an example from everyday life where heat is transferred by radiation. Question number 2, thermometer used to measure the temperature of boiling water. That is the laboratory thermometer. I want to hear from Bhumika Devanda. Yes, Bhumika.
Ma'am, when the heater is switched off. Ma'am,
Okay,
fourth science quiz answer.
Yes, heater is switched on, or you can say sunlight also. And when we are sitting in
ma'am.
front of fire also. Okay, all these are the example of radiation. So
एक्सक्यूज
any,
मी मैम
yes,
मैम इससे पहले मैम आपने बोला था ना आंसर देने के लिए मैम थोड़ी डिस्टरबेंस आ गई थी इसलिए मैम मैं अनम्यूट नहीं कर पाई थी अपने आप को
it's okay, Bhumika, no problem. Okay, so radiations of the sun which are reaching up to us, you can give the example of that also. Okay, any one example you have to give over here. Now come to the worksheet A, that is take the correct option. First, solid transfer heat by. Solid transfer heat by. I want everyone to raise their hands. Chavi, what happened, Chavi? I want to hear from you. Yes, Chavi?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, give me the answer.
Ma'am, conduction.
Why you don't raise your hand when you are aware about the answer, beta? Okay, yes, solid transfer heat by conduction. A is the correct option. Okay, next, the mode of heat transfer that does not require a medium. I want everyone to raise their hands quickly. Yes, Shivras, unmute yourself.
मैम
on your
रेडिएशन
class.
मैम रेडिएशन
Okay, you are saying it's radiation. Mode of heat transfer that does not require medium radiation. Okay, that's correct, Shivras. Good. Now next, when one end of metal rod is heated, the other end of rod get heated by conduction, convection, radiation, or reflection. Third, I want to hear from Ashish. Yes, Ashish.
Conduction.
Yes, it is a conduction, Ashish. Okay, you are correct. Next is when the range of thermometer in clinical thermometer is. Yes, Sujal. Sorry, Sujal. Yes, Sujal.
Yes, ma'am. 35 to 42 degrees Celsius.
Yes, it is 35 to 42. C is the correct option for the fourth. Yes, fifth, the normal temperature of a healthy human body is. I want to hear from Palak this time. Yes, Palak.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, give me the response for this.
Ma'am, 37
37.
degrees Celsius. Sorry,
Yes, 37 degrees Celsius. Yes, it is the correct answer. And what about Fahrenheit, Palak?
Fahrenheit 98 degrees Celsius.
98.6. Okay.
98.6.
Yes. All right. Circle the odd ones and give reason for your choice why you have chosen them. First is silver, copper, wood, and aluminium. Okay. You have to give a reason also along with that. Yes, Sujal. Unmute yourself.
Ma'am, wood.
Okay, you are saying wood is different. Why you have chosen wood to circle? Yes, Sujal.
Ma'am, because all these are good conductor of heat.
Yes, very good, Sujal. Silver, copper, aluminium are metals and they are the good conductors of heat, as well as if I talk about wood, wood is bad conductor. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, good, Sujal. Next is paper, leather, iron, and clothes. Paper, leather, iron, and clothes. Komal is saying iron in the chat box. Okay, Komal, just unmute yourself. I want to hear from you, Komal. Why you are saying iron? Yes, Komal, unmute yourself. Yes, speak up. Yes, Komal, you are unmuted. Speak up better. I think connectivity issue at her end. Yes, Palak.
मैम इसका आंसर होगा क्लॉथ्स, क्योंकि जो ये आयरन, लेदर और पेपर इंसुलेटर है, क्योंकि वो एयर पास, दे डिड नॉट अलाउ एयर टू पास थ्रू देम. पर क्लॉथ्स एक कंडक्टर है, क्योंकि उसमें से हीट पास होती है.
Clothes are conductor? What you are talking? Iron is a conductor. Paper, leather and clothes are insulator, whereas iron is a conductor. It allows the heat and electricity to pass through it. Okay, Palak?
ओके मैम.
Next is false ceiling, igloo, wall of refrigerator and backlight handle. Igloo. No, igloo is not the correct answer, Komal. Anyone else? Anyone else? Nobody can guess. See, it is a backlight handle. You know why? Because others have air trapped in between two layers of there. अगर मैं false ceiling की बात करूं, false ceiling is what जो छत बनाई जाती है, false ceiling, right? जिससे कि न तो ज्यादा गर्मी लगती है, न ज्यादा सर्दियों में ठंड लगती है, right? So false ceiling के अंदर air trap रहती है between the two layers. Same with the igloo and same with the wall of refrigerator. But backlight handle is a different thing, right? Backlight handles are made up of a different type of plastic which doesn't get heated up when they get the heat. Okay, that's why the handle of cookers, etc., are made up of bakelite. All right, now come to the fill up part. A dash thermometer is used to measure the body temperature. I'm having only 5 students in my class. Quickly raise your hands, everyone. Oh, again and again the same name I'm getting. Yes, Chavi, give me the answer.
Ma'am, clinical thermometer.
Okay, Chavi is saying it's clinical. Okay, good, Chavi, you are correct. Clinical thermometer. Next one I want to hear from Yash Sharma. Yes, Yash Sharma. Unmute yourself. All dash are good conductors of heat. All. Yes, you are speaking, but you are not audible to me. Yes, Ashish.
Metal.
Yes. What is the answer? Metal. Okay. All metals are good conductors of heat. You are correct. Chimneys work on the principle of. Yes, Anurag Gehlot, I want to hear from you. Anurag. Anurag Gehlot. Unmute yourself. Yes, Chandni, give me the response. Yes, beta. Yes, Chandni, you are unmuted. All dash are good conductors of heat. Metals. Next, chimneys work on the principle of convection. Okay, Chandni? Write down convection in your book, Chandni. Okay. Next, shiny and dash surfaces are better reflectors? Raise your hands quickly. Okay, I'm going to choose. I want to hear from Charvi this time. Charvi Mathur. Charvi Mathur. Yes, Charvi. Yes, Charvi, speak up. I'm getting sound from you. I am audible to you. Charvi, speak up. Are you able to give the answer for this, Charvi? Yes or no? Okay, I want to hear from Harshit Gupta. Yes, Harshit. Harshit Gupta. Unmute yourself, Harshit Gupta. Harshvardhan Tiwari. Yes, Harshit Gupta. Am I audible? Yes, Urvashi. Unmute yourself.
Shiny, smooth surfaces.
Yes, shiny and smooth surfaces. If you guys are not able to give the answer, then to at least give me the response, Mitra. This is not the way. Okay, Urvashi. The lower fixed temperature is dash degree in Celsius scale. That is 0. Okay. I'm just going to discuss the rest of the questions with you. Keep on marking. Let me turn the page. This we have done. Now we are going to discuss this. The section B. Handles of cooking utensils should be made of material that are B, insulators. Section B. The first, that is B, insulators. Second, which of the following thermometers do not have mercury? That is digital. B, digital for the second one. On dipping, third, on dipping a plastic and steel spoon in a hot water, dash spoon gets heated up. Steel. Okay, steel is the correct answer for the third one. Very short questions. What is the usual temperature range of laboratory thermometer? It's -10 to 110. Keep on writing along with me in your book with pencil. -10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. Second, what are the two conditions necessary for the conduction of heat? Heat can be conducted from one body to another only when they are in contact. And second is at different temperature. First condition likhiye, they should be in contact. First, in contact. Second, at different temperatures. I repeat myself, first is in contact and second is at different temperatures. Third, how does the heat from the sun reach the earth? Yes, through radiation. As we have discussed this thing earlier also. How do we measure heat? Heat is measured by thermometer. Okay. So up to MCQs we have discussed. Now short questions and long questions. Yes, you are correct, Bhumika. Short and long questions. I'm going to share the PDF with you. Let me discuss the HOTS first. Okay. The first HOTS is explain why a clinical thermometer cannot be used to measure high temperature. We cannot use because the human body temperature never goes beyond it. Okay. क्लिनिकल थर्मामीटर को आप यूज नहीं कर सकते हाई टेम्परेचर के लिए. क्यों? क्योंकि इसकी एक प्रॉपर रेंज होती है. क्लिनिकल थर्मामीटर हैज अ रेंज ऑफ 35 to 42. और क्यों होती है इतनी रेंज? क्योंकि हमारा बॉडी टेम्परेचर कभी इसके आगे जाता ही नहीं है. The human body temperature never goes beyond it. Okay, so high temperature cannot be measured by that clinical thermometer because its range is 35 to 42 only. Okay, next, wait for 2 minutes, Sujal. I'm going to share the PDF of the short and long questions with you after discussing these hots. A person has a white shirt and black shirt. Which shirt will make him more comfortable in winters and in summers? Give reason for your answers. मैंने आपको बताया था ना, right? Radiation में that black color absorbs and emits more heat. So black shirt will be more comfortable in winter because dark color has the absorb more heat. Okay, and it will keep him warm in winter time. And if I talk about summers, then white shirt will be more comfortable in summertime because light color reflect the light radiation and keep us cool. Okay. Next question is, why is water not used instead of mercury in thermometer when it is easily available to us? हम मरकरी की जगह थर्मामीटर में पानी क्यों नहीं डाल देते हैं? क्योंकि मरकरी क्या है? एक शाइनी मेटल है जिसकी प्रॉपर्टी है, एक यही मेटल है which is liquid at room temperature. All other metals are solid at room temperature, but if I talk about mercury, it's a shiny liquid metal. Okay, it's highly sensitive to temperature. पानी इतना sensitive नहीं है, पानी इतनी जल्दी raise up नहीं होगा. Okay, mercury is highly sensitive to temperature. इजीली आप उसको, क्योंकि वो शाइनी है, तो आप उसको इजीली ग्लास थर्मामीटर्स में देख भी सकते हैं. वी कैन इजीली सी in the glass thermometer, whereas water, it is not easily seen in glass and it expands at very high temperature. Okay, and can break the glass at high temperature. That's why we don't use water. All right. Next is, firefighting suits are always bright and shiny. Why? क्योंकि firefighting suits जो होते हैं वो रिफ्लेक्ट करते हैं हीट को जो भी उनके अराउंड होती है. ठीक है, और इस तरीके से फायर फाइटर को बहुत ज्यादा हीट उनकी बॉडी, उनका जो सूट होता है, it doesn't absorb a lot of heat and get heated up. Okay, so this is the reason that firefighter suits are always bright and shiny. All right, now I'm going to share the PDF. Yes, Urvashi, I think you are having any doubt with you. Yes, Urvashi. Sorry, Urvashi, I have again met. Yes, Urvashi.
मैंने आंसर देने के लिए किया था.
Okay, fine, beta. You may lower down your hand as I'm going to share the PDF of answers now. All of you be attentive. You may take the screenshot. Okay, I must be having in my drive. Give me 1 second to share it again, as I'm not getting, I don't know in which drive I have kept. Give me 1 second. Okay, I'm going to share it now. Please, you may take a screenshot. I'm just going to share my screen. So I want Chavi Kawar, please unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, let me know whether it is visible to you guys or not. Is it visible, Chavi?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You guys may take a screenshot. It's for all the oral and science quiz question which we have discussed. I'm turning the page now. Again, I'm moving forward. Okay. This is the last page. I hope all of you must have taken the click. So I'm ending up my class over here. Thank you so much for the class, everyone. Have a nice day.